Welcome to the Plus Addon tutorials. Today I'm gonna demonstrate stylish list widget. Let's start with the content tab. First of all, you have the option for the stylish list. There is the multiple repeater option from which you can select the description. You can use the visual or the text mode. Then you have the font icon option. You have the icon smile and the font awesome. Or you can select the none if you don't want the icon font. Then you have the link option for the each stylish list. You also have the advanced link option. Then you have the option for a pin hint. This kind of pin hint for describe some new things like new, hot, or you can use that on the beginning by bug fix or feature or kind of things. At that part, you have the option for the text color, background color. Then there is the option for the background style. This background style we will demonstrate later in this tutorial, which is connected with the interactive links. There is also option for the tooltip. In the tooltip, you have the content, text, content vinxing, and the template option. So you can choose from the different content type. You have the description, text alignment, typography, text color. All the options are available for the tooltip here. So you can make all the changes in the tooltip from here. Keep in mind, you cannot see the demo of tooltip in the backend. You need to update it and check in the front end. For example, you can see that tooltip options are available here. You can see the tooltip on the right, but you cannot see that in the backend. After that, you have the read more toggle option. Read more toggle is like this example. If you want to hide the rest of the stylish list, for example, this list have total 6 items. If you want to hide the first 3, you want to show first 3 and want to hide the rest, then you can mention the number here, and then you have the title for the expand section and the saying section. Once you set up this, you will have the look something like this. So you can turn it on and off as per the needs. Now in the style tab, you have the list option in which you have the space option. You can adjust the space between each stylish list. Those options available for responsive as well, so you can adjust the space for different devices. You also have the alignment option. Then you have the icon option. You can select the color and the hover color for the icon. Then you have the icon size option. You have the icon indent option. Icon indent is the option. Just a second. Let me demonstrate you. This is the icon indent option. You can adjust the space. Then you have the vertical center option. Sometimes your text is for the 2 lines or 3 lines, and if you want to keep the icon in the center, vertical center, you can turn on this option, and if you don't want, you can turn it off. Then you have the content option for the text color, text hover color. You also have the text indent option. That means you can adjust the space above the text area and in between the icon and the text. You also have the all typography options. Even from that, font size, line height and latest spacing are the responsive options, and all other options are available including Google font family. Then you have the hint text style for the new and hot, right? You can select their alignment for the right or the left. If you want to put that on the left, then you can adjust that, and you can remove the icon as well. So you just need to select the none for the icon selection. Then you have the typography for the text part. You can see the difference. Let's keep it small. Then you have the box shadow for that particular part. You also have the inner padding option. You can adjust that horizontal. You can adjust that vertically. So you can set up that as per your needs. You also have the minimum width adjust option for the hint text styles. Then you have the option for the tooltip. You have lots of options available. If you want to know all options of tooltip in the details, you can check out our another video. You have the styles option for the tooltip. Then you have the on scroll view animation. You can select these as well. Then in the plus extras, you have the other options: magic scroll, tooltip, mouse move parallax, tilt 3D effect, overlay spatial effect, and continuous animation. To know more about these all the options, you can check out that on our channel. We have made separate video for this. Now let's go back to interactive link demo. That's the advanced option for the stylish list. If you want to make an interactive links like this, when you hover on the any stylish list, the background will change. For that, you have to turn interactive links on. Once you turn on that, you need to go to background style option, and from the background you can select the solid color or gradient color as well as the image. Right. If you select the image, you will have all the options like position, attachment, repeat and size. Make sure if you turn on the background style from here, you have to turn on interactive links from the beginning. If you keep this off, it will not work. So you can manage nice demo using this interactive links option. You can see the examples here and here. So these all the options are for that stylish list. If you have any other questions, write us on the comment box below. Hope you have enjoyed this video tutorial on stylish list. Subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Do check all the related links in the description below. Thanks for watching and keep crafting amazing websites. See you in the next video.